What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about where you should start streaming if you're brand new to this and you're just jumping in now. There's a ton of questions like, where do I start? Should I stream on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch? How do I start? Thankfully, here on the Hammer Dance channel, we have tons of videos to help you guys out if you do need to get started with that. But we don't talk very much about how to start, as in where should you go, what accounts should you set up. But anyway, that's what this video is going to be about, guys. So we're going to talk about that. But before we get into it, let's give a shout out and thank you to our sponsor for today's video, Own.tv. Own.tv is the place to go, guys, if you're looking for some fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook gaming, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're just looking to pick up some new alert graphics. Don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about most of these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you can change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you guys are looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. All right, guys, so let's talk about this. You're someone who just wants to dive in and start streaming, right? You're gonna create your account. You're thinking of your name. You're thinking of what you want your brand to look like, all that good stuff, right? So the first question you're gonna ask yourself is, where should I stream? There's a lot of people leaving Twitch to stream on YouTube. There's a lot of people who still are streaming on Twitch very successfully. There's people who stream on Facebook, and this is I think one of the most important questions that you should ask yourself. And the thing here is, you don't have to choose. Plain and simple. You guys don't have to choose. You don't have to say, I want to stream on Twitch because of blah, 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 or I want to stream on YouTube because of blah, blah, blah. You don't need to do that. Nowadays, what you should be doing, right, as a new streamer, and really, I'm going to say new streamer as anyone who is just starting out, or really anyone who doesn't have a massive following, even if you have, under 50 viewers or whatever, which is still a good following. But let's say you go live wherever already right now and you have under 50 viewers. You want to restream, and there's multiple ways of doing this now. You can use restream.io, Streamlabs. If you subscribe to Streamlabs, the Prime Edition, you can stream to pretty much every platform. So basically you hit one button to go live, and you're going live on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, all at the same time. It's a nice integrated chat. You can see who's chatting from where with a little badge next to their name, which is pretty cool. I actually just tested this out myself. But yeah, it's important to know, guys, that you don't need to choose, and my advice to you is that you shouldn't choose. One thing I do want to say here is, if you are already streaming on Twitch or started on Twitch, do not accept any affiliate agreement that limits you to only streaming on Twitch. Now, I accepted an affiliate agreement on Twitch maybe 2 years ago, and this kind of screwed me up because in my agreement, in my contract with Twitch, I can't restream, right? So I would get tons of growth and reach a way broader audience if I was able to stream on YouTube right here on the Hammer Dance channel and on my Twitch Hammer Dance channel at the same time. By the way, guys, if you don't follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/hammerdance, we go live 3 times a week. So go follow that, turn on notifications so you can come hang out with us live. But anyway, yeah, I got kind of screwed over with that. But this was a long time ago. Now I know they have contracts and affiliate agreements that do allow you to do that. However, mine does not. So I can't restream. And if I can go back in time and tell myself, hey, don't take this affiliate agreement, I wouldn't. And realistically, there's no reason to take affiliate. The only thing you're really gaining from that is your sub button. And let's be honest, if you have less than 10 to 20 concurrent viewers, what's really the point of having a sub button anyway? If you can't get people to watch for free, it's going to be really hard to get people to subscribe. So my advice to all of you is, if you are just starting out, if you are a brand new streamer, check out restream.io, check out the Streamlabs Prime Edition. Do some re-streaming. You want to stream to as many platforms as possible. Create accounts on Facebook Gaming, YouTube, Twitch, and get going with that. I mean, there's pros and cons to everything, right? Twitch is the place to stream games live. People know about Twitch now. It's become much more mainstream. Is it very saturated? Yes, it's extremely saturated. But that is people know, hey, if I want to watch games being played live, I go to Twitch. Now, you can watch games being played live on YouTube. People do live stream on YouTube. However, their interface for live streaming is way more clunky. And it's kind of really hard to find some gaming live streams on YouTube unless you start digging around. You know, they have plenty of time to kind of develop this. I wish they would do it a little bit faster, but they have time to develop this and make the user interface when you're watching a stream a little bit better and things like that. Like, there's a ton of pros and cons for each platform, right? Facebook, you have your audience, all your friends, and I think their algorithm on Facebook for finding streams is pretty good as well. I haven't ever streamed on Facebook myself, but I know a lot of people are successful with it. So yeah, we can get into that in another video, going deeper into the pros and cons of each platform. But what I think for this video is I really wanted to drill this point home to you guys. A lot of you send me DMs and questions about where to start streaming and this and that. And I want to let you all know that you shouldn't pick a specific platform. Restream to every platform possible to grow your audience. That is the most important thing. And you're going to see, you know, if you're streaming on 3 platforms, you're going to see 3 times the growth as if you were just streaming on 1 platform. So it just makes sense. Check out those things. Some restreaming is free, some isn't. Depends really quality of life upgrades that you want to have within those interfaces. But definitely do that. Do not pick a platform. Don't say I'm a Twitch streamer. Don't say I'm a YouTube streamer. Don't say I'm a Facebook streamer. Stream everywhere, especially in the beginning. There's nothing wrong with it, and it used to be that restreaming was really hard because your chat would get separated and you would feel kind of disconnected to some of the audiences. And, you know, that does exist a little bit. Like, if you're talking to someone from your YouTube chat, someone in your Twitch chat is like, who the heck is this guy talking to? That can get a little confusing for them, but most people don't really care about that. So I wouldn't worry about it at all. One more thing that I did want to mention to you guys is that, as you know, we have the tech support channel in our Discord, so go join that community if you have questions and things like that. But I do offer some one-on-one tech support, some options where you can DM me some questions and things like that, and I do answer them to the best of my ability. So what we have done here is we have created a Patreon, and this is for anyone who wants to support the channel any further. There's 3 tiers. Right now, tier 1 is $5 a month, I think, and you could sign up and you will get shout outs in future Hammer Dance videos. At the end of every video, we will be listing out all Patreon supporters, so your name will get in the video. Tier 2, you do get to message me questions on a monthly basis, and I do my best to answer them for you guys and try and help you out. And I think tier 3 offers you 30 minutes of a one-on-one session. You and me, we could sit down and talk, and you can ask me any questions you have, or I can help you configure some settings or whatever you need. So if you guys are interested in that in any way, or just want to support the channel any further, feel free to head on over to the Patreon. The link is in the description down below this video, and sign up, become a supporter of this channel. However, if you can't, do not worry. Every ounce of support is amazing. But you are all great, and thank you for being here. But yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Definitely give restreaming a try. I'll link those websites for you guys down in the description below this video. And if you're not following me already on Twitch, we stream 3 nights a week. Twitch.tv/hammerdance. Head on over there right now and give a follow. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss when we upload a video. All right, guys, I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.